Goodbudget versus YNAB, clear winner. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which budgeting tool is clear winner Goodbudget and YNAB. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Goodbudget. Goodbudget provides user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible for beginners and those new to budgeting. Available on both mobile and web, allowing users to manage their budget from multiple devices. Encourages manual entry of transactions, which can help users stay aware of their spending habits and improve financial discipline. Supports multiple users managing the same budget, making it ideal for families and couples. Offers a free plan with basic features, making it a cost-effective option for users who do not need advanced functionalities. While lack of automatic transaction import can be time-consuming and may not appeal to those who prefer automation. The free version has restrictions on the number of envelopes and accounts, which may not suffice for more complex budgeting needs. Offers basic reporting and analytics compared to more sophisticated tools like YNAB. Now let's come towards YNAB budgeting. YNAB employs a zero-based budgeting approach, requiring users to assign every dollar a job, which helps ensure that all income is accounted for. Syncs with bank accounts to automatically import transactions, simplifying the budgeting process. Provides tools for setting and tracking financial goals, helping users stay focused on long-term objectives. Offers robust reporting features, allowing users to analyze spending trends and make informed financial decisions. Available on mobile, web, and desktop, providing flexibility in managing budgets. Somehow, YNAB requires a paid subscription, which may be a drawback for budget conscious users. The zero based budgeting approach and comprehensive features can be overwhelming for new users, requiring time to learn and adapt. Offers a free trial, but it is limited, which might not be enough time for users to fully explore all features. Choosing between Goodbudget and YNAB depends on your budgeting style, preference for features, and willingness to pay for premium services. In 2024, both tools remain strong contenders in the budgeting space. The clear winner depends on individual preferences and budgeting needs. YNAB may be the better choice for those seeking in-depth financial management and education, while Goodbudget could be the winner for users looking for simplicity and a more traditional approach. That's all for this video.